Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're not new here, I've been watching already, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe, mention it to others. I'm going to try to do, I'm learning how to do better videos and higher quality and trying to figure out what everybody wants. So I appreciate people that are sticking around. Hopefully you find it interesting. We'll get more into that soon. But what we're going to show you today is my 04.5 Dodge diesel Cummins 20 or 3500 1 ton. It's a compound turbo, 62 over a 90, I think. Anyway, the one thing I wanted to show you was when doing the filters, with these washable filters, you got to do them often because diesels like to breathe a lot, and especially if you're running lots of boost and big turbos, they will. So one thing I did was I got a pre-filter to try and extend the life of that filter, as well as extend the intervals of which I have to clean that. So here's the pre-filter, and I don't know if you guys can see. So you should be able to see through that. That thing was totally like black. You couldn't see through it anymore. And I'd say that it's my fault. I probably went like 2 oil changes without looking at it. Actually, that seems, yeah, maybe with 2 oil changes. So what I got it here soaking in some hot water with some dish soap. So we're gonna let you see how nasty that, how much, like, you can actually see through it now. It's kind of hard to see with the sun, but yeah, so I think the key is, and it's my own fault for not being on top of these things more, is that you really should clean this out often, and that will keep that guy happy and keep your airflow flowing. So just look at how nasty this water is. So it tells me that like these pre-filters are doing something for you. So I just wanted to make a quick video on that. I'm gonna drain this water, refill it again with some soap, some fresh hot water, soak it again, let it dry. I won't be driving the truck today anyway. I just did the front end on it, new parts. I just got to do an alignment. There's a I got a new steering box and a like a reinforcement bracket, so that I am pretty happy about. So we just did like a tape measure alignment on it. It's good enough to, I have to get an alignment, but we did get it fairly close. It's a little grabby. Oops, sorry, it's a little grabby on the road. So I got to get a comb for the air conditioning condenser, because here in Alberta there's lots of rocks and stuff, and this thing just gets beat to hell. So 625 studs. Otherwise, you know, Banks intake, Banks intercooler, compound turbo. We got a bypass for the cooling system for the six cylinder, the back, a PP dual pump setup, fast fuel system, noisy South Bend dual disc, and it's got a brand new NV 5600. So it's Laramie, so it's fully loaded, leather and Alcantara, whatever that's called. So I'll show you more of that guy when we get into it, and especially when we get to towing. We'll do some videos when we're going to the track and stuff. But I just wanted to make a quick video on the filters. If you use a pre-filter, it's a good idea because it does seem to do something. But they do get clogged up pretty quick. So something to think about. The idea of a pre-filter is that you can quickly rip it off the air filter, leave the air filter in place, give it a wash, dry it out, and put it back on. And your air filter, you're extending the intervals for having to do your washable air filter, because the they get dirty so fast with the Diesels. The Diesels like to take in air like no one's business. So yeah, so hopefully we'll do some more videos on this pretty soon. But if you go to my buddy's channel, Cutter Up Rob, he'll have a video on that. I think we did some recording. I don't know if he wants to use it or not, but it'll be up there as well. And go follow him if you like diesel stuff, Cummins specifically. He's a Cummins master, so he's got a couple of cool projects on the go. Especially if you like the mechanical pump, P-pump stuff. And I think he's going to do some VE stuff in the future as well. That's where you go. So he's building a pretty sick 6.7, which came in the 4th gen, late 3rd gen and 4th gen trucks. The bigger 6.7 Cummins, but they never came mechanical, and he's building a mechanical 6.7. So that should be pretty gnarly. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to be doing more better stuff and getting out there more, networking, and get a website going and that kind of stuff. But it's just I'm new at this. I'm not very techy, so, and time and all that stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching. Take it easy. See you next time.